What's up, YouTube? It's your boy V Faded, man. And before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell right there in the corner so you can get notified every time your boy drop these bangers. Man, listen, your boy ain't got no sleep, man. I think I just took a little cat nap and woke right back up to my phone jumping. I've been helping people find shoes, man. Your boy been up since 4 o'clock in the morning, man. Helping people get shoes. People calling me saying they lost on the app, man. Listen, a lot of people took L's on these apps this morning as far as Foot Locker, what is that, Foot Action and Champs. Everybody took, a lot of people took L's, man. A lot of people got W's, man. If you rocked with me, you got a W, man. I seen a couple of my people I rocked with this morning in the line. Shout out to y'all for following the method, man. Following, listening, and watching my channel, man. Thank y'all for watching my channel and learning, man. Cause listen, I'm gonna make sure y'all get the shoe. I'm gonna make sure y'all don't have no hiccup. Y'all can sleep comfortably. For some reason, your boy did not sleep comfortably last night. I don't know what was going on. So I was up, man, since 4, man. Yeah, I've been up since 4. I'm still helping people get shoes right now. I just helped my dude get a 5.5. We just helped my little brother get a 7.5 or size 7. Like, I'm just helping people find shoes. Just so help my boy John sell some shoes, man. Listen, it's so much stuff going on right now. Right now too, if you watch this video tonight, y'all, we got a size 11 going too. Y'all hit me up on my Instagram right here, y'all, and I'll let you know what the you know what I mean, what it's going for. But listen, your boy hit for 2 pair, man. I hit for 2 pairs, so I got 3 pair total. Everybody asking. I just seen my OG made a post like, why y'all got multiple pairs if you're not resellers? Listen, I like to wear shoes, man. I like to have stuff on ice, so that's why I have multiple pairs. Why do you cop multiple pairs? Comment down below if you cop multiple pairs and let me know why you cop multiple pairs of shoes, man. But long story short, I got 2 pairs today, man. I got my son 2 pairs of shoes as well. You know what I mean? He just opened them because he was on punishment. The boy wasn't cleaning his room. I told him to clean his room 3 days ago, man. 3 days ago. And the boy just now cleaned his room. I had to sit in there and walk him through picking up all these Nerf bullets and all type of stuff, man. Listen, cleaned his room and he got to open his shoe, man. And right now I'm gonna show y'all exactly what he got today. First shoe. What's this right here? It just say Retro 11. I think this is a cool grade. This is cool grade, yep. So I'm gonna tell y'all my likes and dislikes about this shoe after I show y'all his other shoe. But you know, my boy, man, had to get my boy right. As soon as he opened them, he said, "Daddy, I got the same shoe as you." Yes, you do. This is the only part I'm upset about that the adults don't have on the bottom. I feel like that's a cool part right there, man. That's a cool add-on. That's a fire. Need that right there, man. That part is fire right there to me. I fuck with that. Now I feel like we need that, man, with the Jordan right there. People don't even know that say Jordan, but that says Jordan right there, y'all. That says Jordan on the bottom of that shoe. Overall, man, the little baby shoe is clean. The only thing, I'm gonna tell y'all what I don't like about them after I show y'all the second shoe. I'm gonna show y'all the second shoe first. But I had to get my boy right, man. Everything daddy get, he gets, man. And that's just how it's gonna always be like that. You know what I mean? My daughters get spoiled too, but they don't. My daughter's really girly girls, man. Except for my oldest. My oldest into Vans and stuff like that, but you know what I mean? My boy gotta stay fresh with me, man. My boy and my youngest daughter, she loves shoes too. Hey, man, remember what I said when I show y'all these, man. When I show y'all these, y'all remember what I tell y'all about these kid shoes with Finish Line and a lot of these retail stores that's going on. You know what I mean? I grabbed these for my son and my daughter as well. You know what I mean? It was sitting there. It's a clean. Look how clean that is. That's a clean shoe. That's a clean shoe. I'm not a fan of it myself, but it's like, hey, my son can. I got some stuff he can get it off with. You know what I mean? Overall clean shoe. Nothing he can really dog too bad. He really don't dog his shoes. He take care of his shoes, man. I groomed him well. He groomed well. Only 3 years old. That boy take care of his shoes. His collection is nasty as well, man. One day I'm gonna show y'all his collection. But listen, man, had to get my boy right, man. Got my boy right today. Listen, shoes come in a week later sometimes, y'all. I was actually surprised they had this shoe. I was preparing to hit on sneakers, y'all. And shout out to all my people who was prepared to go live with me on sneakers. For some reason, y'all, the live wasn't working today. I was in the car and I was trying to go live. I actually wanted to go live while I was in the mall, but when I hit the mall, the line was so short, y'all. It was so smooth. It was probably the smoothest 11 cop process I ever been through in my life, because the Breads, the Concords, and all of those, man, was hectic. Like, hectic, y'all. Hectic. But this was the smoothest pickup ever, man. I got in the line, got my shoes, talked to a couple people that I knew, and boom. You know what I mean? Grab my boy both of these, man. He got these, and he got these, man. And listen, guess what, man? Your boy got these. These retail for $85. Guess how much your boy got these for? I got these for $45, man. Now, you can use Status Cash to purchase shoes as well, y'all. It takes money off of your shoes, and if you don't know what Status Cash is, people, man, I'm about to show y'all. It's on the Finish Line app. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go into your status. You're gonna click status. Well, matter of fact, should I record this for y'all? My phone about to die. I'm gonna just show y'all. So you're gonna click status on your Finish Line app. you're gonna go down and you're gonna click view rewards. When you click view rewards, you have $10 status cash. You have free 2-day shipping for 1,000 points. You got free standard shipping for 500 points. You got 15 status cash for 3,000 points. 5 status cash for 1,000 points. You got 20 status cash for 4,000 points. You get to purchase those, y'all. You get to purchase those so you can help. It can help take money off of your purchase. You can use those on sneaker releases, y'all. It doesn't matter. They have to accept that, y'all. It's a form of cash. You're just taking money off of the purchase. You use your points. You use your points to use the cash, to get the cash off. So look, y'all, this is what it looks like. First off, hold on, we're gonna go back. It says status is $20 off right here. Let's see if it focus. Focus. Is it focusing? Okay, so you get, damn, it may not focus, y'all, but listen, you get $20 off right here, y'all. Then you're gonna click use reward. Boom. You click use reward, and then this barcode will pop up. Once this barcode pops up, y'all, they're gonna scan it and it's gonna take the money off of your purchase. So guess what? Your purchase is gonna go down. Now, your boy used a couple of these today for my son's shoes, man, and it took, listen, the price was so lovely. I was upset that I forgot to use it on my shoe, man. I had just asked the lady if I can use the status cash and she said yes. And listen, your boy forgot, man. I was just ready to pay for my shoes and then get his shoes, man. Man, listen. He was so happy when he opened these finally, man, because I wasn't going to give it to him until he cleaned his damn room. But he did. He got the job done, man. The boy did what he did. Now, let me tell y'all my likes and dislikes. I love the bottom. Love the bottom of the shoe. You know what I mean? The toe box looks good. But once we get to the side of the shoe, and look at that slope. Like, it's like a dramatic slope, man. I don't like that. I don't like that slope part on my kids' shoes, man. I feel like they be ripping us off. I don't like that slope part. You know what I mean? Yeah, they kids, but give us the highs, man. They don't need no little slope piece back here. Give us the real shit. You know what I mean? Everything else in here is cool. Now, with the 11s, I'm upset about the shoestrings because look at that little tiny shoestring they gave them, man. But look at this shoestring. This is the true 11 shoestring right here. That's what it's supposed to look like. Look how thick that is, man. But look at these. These are the little, I don't know what they call those, man. Spaghetti angel hair shoestrings. Them shits look crazy. Like, you know what I mean? I might try to find some shoestrings. I might get online and try to find the correct shoestrings to put in his, man. Because I want my boy to get at least half of the experience. Because y'all already cut him short. You know what I mean? Y'all cut him short. Y'all give him the bottom. Y'all give him the little, you know what I mean? They got the little patent leather. No glue marks on this stuff, man. Clean. But I want him to have the shoestrings too. I don't like the shoestrings, man. So we going to swap those out. Now, like I said, your boy hit for 2 pair, man. I got 3 pair total. I may wind up giving 1 pair away. You know what I mean? I ain't sure yet. We get to 300 subscribers. Your boy may know what's going to happen. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be generous enough to let it go. This is my first time opening this box right here, y'all. Boom. This is my 2nd pair right here, y'all. I'm opening. And I ain't about to open all of them because y'all know what's going on. But listen. This right here, man. Clean shoe like as always. Clean shoe. You know what I mean? Clean icy bottom. Want to keep those clean. Smells so good, man. But this pair right here in particular, I'm going to put with the OGs, man. I'm going to put these with the OGs. You know what I mean? I got to put them up. You know what I mean? You see the patent leather still clean on those, man. This is one of my favorite pair if you don't know. If you watch all my videos, you know this is the silhouette that really got me started with sneakers, man. It was Forces and it was these right here. This was it right here. This was the shoe that made me feel like I was God floating on earth, man. Never worn, never put my foot in there, man. Shoes just smell so lovely, man. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on ice, man. These babies won't be worn no time soon. I got a pair that I already wore, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put those back on foot, you know what I mean? And we gonna rock out, man. We gonna rock out. Yeah, man. So listen, everybody who followed the remedy, man, and watch my channel, I want to say, you know what I mean, I truly appreciate y'all. I know y'all didn't take no L's this morning. I seen a couple of y'all at Beechwood, man. Shout out to y'all. Also ran into another fellow YouTuber, man, who wanted to support me, and I also supported him, man. Listen, love, man. It's love, man. Love is in the air, man. You understand what I'm saying? Now, if you didn't get to cop these, man, listen. If you hit me up on Instagram and you live in Cleveland and you want to buy this shoe, listen, whoever I send you to, y'all, they're going to charge you probably StockX prices, y'all. And what I mean by StockX prices, when there's if you hit somebody up for, let's say a size 10 and he say, you know what I mean, I want 380. Listen, go look at StockX. You're going to see what the shoe is going for. You can't go off of what the price is right up under there. As soon as you click your size, it may say 320. Okay, 320 what? You know what I mean? Like, oh, they only charging 320 on StockX. No, they're not. Put that shoe in the cart as if you're about to purchase it and then see what is added with the tax and shit. That's what they charging on the street, y'all. It's a dude on the street, y'all, and he charging y'all like $350 is for a reason. He not charging it just to get a dollar out of y'all. He charging y'all because that's what they charging on StockX. You gonna pay StockX prices to get it in hand, man. Or you can pay for it and wait for it, and then hopefully it comes. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean. You don't want that. So a lot of y'all want stuff in hand. If you want this shoe, make sure y'all hit me up, man. I'm posting all the resellers, all my guys who sell shoes, good people. You know what I mean? I'm still helping people find sizes right now. I gotta find a size. 13. I gotta find a size 5 and I just found that 5.5. So we scratching that off the list. I gotta find a size 7, two size, a 9 and a size 9 and 9.5, y'all. So listen, I'm kind of busy, y'all. I'm helping people. You know what I mean? That's what I'm here for, man. I'm here to help the people. I told y'all, man. I'm the shoe heaven's angel right here. You understand what I'm saying? I'm on earth. I'm helping people, man. We getting right. Listen, y'all. If you didn't hit for the shoe, man, it's always tomorrow, y'all. I think a lot of people had. I think I had from 11 to 5, the whole entire day today to pick my shoe up until store closing. I want to say Champs in Strongsville, they gave them 2 whole days, y'all. So they got 2 days. They got today and tomorrow to go pick their shoes up. Listen, y'all, it's going to be pairs floating around, man. Listen, like I said, you got to pay to play if you want the shoe, man. In the city of Ohio, y'all got to pay for that. Pay for that shoe, man. It's going to either be $350, man, or it's going to be $400, depending on what the market goes to, y'all. All y'all got to do is watch StockX, man. People complain about the shoes. Oh, man, that shoe is $308 on StockX. No, it's $308, baby, but did you add the tax on there? It may be $311, but did you add the sales tax and the shipping tax? Because that's what people charge on the street, man. They ain't doing nothing but literally adding up the whole price, and they selling it to you for whatever StockX and them charging right now, y'all. It's their business. You can't get mad at it. Don't get mad if your pocket's not feasible for the shoe. Just move on, man. We can't bash the resellers, y'all. It's okay. It's just a business. You should get into reselling if it's that bad. That's the reason I don't resell, because for one, people pump fake, people don't come pay, you know what I mean? And I'll be stuck with a shoe. You know what I mean? It is some people out here who will buy the shoe, but listen, just sitting on the shoe and I'm trying to make $1 off of it, because now you're not trying to make $20, $30, man. You're trying to make at least $100 off a shoe now, and that's not something your boy into, man. I'm into helping everybody. I'm not bashing the resellers, man. The resellers, y'all do y'all thing. I'm gonna help them do their thing as well. If it's people out here who need the shoe, your boy gonna post it. I'm gonna post it, man. Y'all go tap in with them, man. It's that simple. Like I said, y'all, your boy don't resell because I don't want to play that game of chance. I play chance with other things in my life. You know what I mean? To get to a better place. I'm cool on that game of chance. I don't want to get stuck with no kicks, and I buy them for $180, and then I gotta flip them for $300, and I can't do that, man, because people out here play too much. They just talk. Everybody don't spend money. So listen, that's not the game I'm into. If you want these shoes and you want to pay after resale, which you're going to have to pay after resale because they're not going to be on the shelves, listen, tap in with your boy, man. Hit me up down below, and I'll direct you to a seller, man. Or all you got to do is watch your boy's story, man. That's what it's on there for. It's on Instagram, man. Watch my story. I done probably shouted out about 3 people already, man. 3 people already, man. So listen, it's going to be a great holiday, y'all. Tonight, y'all need everybody to pray that they drop them patents, y'all. We need everybody to pray that they drop a release date for the patents on the 30th. We need that release date to hit the 30th, man. We can't roll over into the new year without that shoe. We need that shoe to roll over into the new year, man, to be a good new year, because we do not want them 11 adapts. We do not want them, y'all. So listen, it's your boy V Faded, and we out.